not good. These aren't, I don't think these are made of steel. They're very easy to do this to. Fuck's sake. I was thinking of watching a video before I even tried to do that, but this is why you should copy my design instead. I can change this tyre at the side of the road. It's not easy, but it is possible. Schwabe Marathon Plus. I'll have to paint it with this, I think. There's one missing. I can't find it anywhere. I've only been working here, so it shouldn't have gone anywhere. I've checked this table, it's not on here. I wouldn't have put it on there, I don't think. Unless I carried it with me and put it down somewhere. It's possible, but unlikely. It's not how it used to be, but we used to have a big conifer hedge up here, sort of 20 or 30 feet high, come out to about this far, and it overhang the fence. We cut it down in 2016, but this is where I used to spend a lot of time. This is my summer house. I've had it since like 2004, 2005, a long time, but I made it bigger. I added these walls, added this. That's the original wall. I've got this up because I was thinking of taking out all that old wood and doing it like this, but I gave up on it because it made me too ill. I can't stand to be in this room anymore since about 2018. I don't know why. I have no idea why. You can see I took the carpet up, sanded all the floors and varnished them and filled in all the gaps in the walls because I thought, oh, it could be mold. Could be mold that's doing it. Black mold, but I don't think it is because I've done all that work and it hasn't helped. Ventilation helped a bit, but I literally have to get that huge fan blowing in here to really make it semi-usable. But I think it could be the roofing felt, or it could be the paint. See this paint on the external walls? Could be this seeping through the gaps or something. It's driving me mad. I've started trying to block off the walls to test whether it's the walls or the roof, but yeah, I haven't finished it. I don't feel too comfortable out in this garden anymore because my parents have just cut everything down and haven't replaced it properly. You can see how open it is to the road, and they've recently cut this bush down, and that was quite a big buddleia. But I told my dad make that fence a couple of feet higher, and he wouldn't do it. So yeah, there was 3 of them circling around my house, making this screeching noise, crying to each other. They enjoy the music, I think. I think they're red kites. What we call red kites. It's a magpie. See these? Look at all these trails here. No, I think they're normal contrails. You see the plane there? You see the plane there? Look. That's not making a trail though. Funny that, isn't it? Some of them do, some of them don't. But look at this side. 2 big trails, 2 or 3, they look really suspicious on that side. There's another, that looks normal to me, that one. See how it disappears? Disappears after a while. These ones just hang about. How much of this is cloud, how much of it is come off those planes. I'd say that's all cloud there, but some of that I can't really tell. Some of that could be cloud, some of it not. It's hard to tell. There's a suspicious one. There's a wood pigeon that we have a lot of those. They all come and sit round our garden. We even had a pheasant once. We've had sparrowhawks, which I've videoed before. This is those hawks don't want to come out again. They've gone somewhere else. Oh, look, there's a native boomer. Gone over there.